Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 16 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Did I do this problem recently? I guess this is a contest problem or something, right? 3254 maybe? Yeah, it was only 3 months ago. About to sneeze, hang on. Oh, excuse me. Okay, well. Let's reset it and hope I didn't really see enough of it. I feel like I haven't need to do that in a while, but I mean this contest was literally 3 months ago, so I guess it's still in the memory or in the cache or whatever, right? Maybe I'll do a bonus problem after this. But yeah. Alright, today we have 3254. Find the power of k-sized subarray 1. You're given an array of integer numbers of length n and a positive integer k. The power of an array is defined by the maximum element if all its elements are consecutive and sorted in ascending order. Negative one otherwise. You need to find the power of all subarrays of numbers of size k. Okay, I mean you're given a fixed size k, and they're really they're only like n minus k plus one of them or whatever it is, right? Oh, they even tell you actually, but right. So they're only fixed of them. So then the really next step is just about figuring out, okay, well, if you do n times k-ish is probably too slow. Actually, I don't even know if this, I think this is actually fast enough for n is equal to 500. I guess there's like a harder version of this problem probably. I guess that's probably why I submitted twice. Once more for the harder problem. But if I have to guess. But in any case, yeah, there's the n square solution, right? Or n times k solution, which is kind of n square. But you should of course look for the sliding window. So yeah, so let's do that, right? Because that's basically given all the windows, you just kind of figure out what the difference is. Okay. Actually, yeah, I mean, I think this is definitely still sliding window, but you can also even take advantage of it in another way, right? I mean, it's kind of sliding window, but also you can just kind of keep track of streaks. The window is a little bit of an awkward concept, but it's still, I mean, keep in mind that these are just mathematical frameworks, or maybe even just like visualization techniques, right? So even though I think if you write it out, the pattern won't be the same, the idea is still going to be the same. Implementation does not dictate the idea, right? So okay, so we start with streak is equal to 1, right? For I in range of n, starting from 1, right? And then the idea here is that it's consecutive and sorted in ascending order. So if num sub I is equal to num sub I minus 1 plus 1. Yeah, I mean, this is the only way that the maximum element is kind of awkward, but with phrasing, but yeah. But yeah, and then here we go streak, we increase by 1, right? Because that means that the streak is greater than 1. And then now, if the streak is greater than or equal to window, then the biggest power is just going to be the num sub I, right? So you have something like this. And then otherwise, if it's not, if I messed it up. If it's not, then we start the streak at 1, this being 1 being that it is a new element, right? Otherwise, we append negative 1, and we should be good. The only thing that's a little bit different is that we have to actually make sure that I is at least k minus 1, because then that means that this will have at least k elements, right? So that's really the answer, I think, maybe, hopefully, give or take. Maybe off by 1 is where you usually make mistakes when you go so fast. But yeah, looks okay. So let's give it a quick submit. Ooh, that's what happened. I got it right in the contest. I guess that's, I don't know. I guess that's what happens when you skip the first element. And because I didn't really consider that k could be whatever. Because the reason why I skipped the first element is so that this is cleaner, but I guess we could have done something like this. I don't know. These things are always a little bit tricky to kind of figure out all the edge cases, and this time I rushed it a little bit, and you can see that this is okay. Let's give a quick submit. And yeah, 1691 day streak, and that's pretty much it. This is linear time, linear space. ish. You can't really do better than that for space because that is the size of the output. And well, you have to read the input, so that's gonna be O of n time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. And this solves the harder one too. I suppose there's probably a harder one. How did I do the harder one last time? Well, I didn't make a silly mistake last time, so that was good. So I guess I did the same thing. I just didn't start at 1. I guess last time I was yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is slightly different the way that I wrote it, but did I do it the n times k way? I did do the n times k way. Okay. Well, yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay good. Stay healthy. To good mental health. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.